Good morning students. Today we are going to discuss chapter 5, comparing quantities using proportion. In that exercise 5.1 first main
पास बताना
okay. Students, what is the given question Nana? The question is find the ratio of the following. In that first one, Smita works in office 6 hours. Okay, how many hours she is working? 6 hours. And Kajal works for 8 hours in her office. Okay, now the ratio of their working, the ratio of their working hours, that is Smita working hours by Kajal working hours. Yes or no students? That is what Nana? Smita working hours by Kajal working hours. Smita working hours 6 hours. Okay. Kajal working hours 8 hours. Clearly we know a ratio has, regardless of its signs, a ratio has no units. So we can write 6 by 8 ni ela rayachu nana? Cancelling to 3 ja, to 4 ja 8. Because of ఈ రెండింటికి 6 కి 8 కి HCF వచ్చేసి 2 ఉంటుంది. That's why their ratio is equals to what nana? That is 3 by 4. We can write it as 3:4. Okay na students? The HCF of 6, 8 is 2. That's why 2 తో cancel చేస్తే 2 3 ja 2 4 ja. ఈ 3 by 4 ని రేషియో ఎలా రాస్తారు? 3:4. ఓకేనా? నెక్స్ట్ the second question is one part contains 8 liter of milk while other contains 750 milliliter. Now clearly what are the units? ఇక్కడ units వచ్చేసి liters, units వచ్చేసి milliliter. So ratio కి ఎలా కంపేర్ చేస్తాం? When we comparing two quantities with the same kind of units. Yes or no students? But here liter, here milliliter is there. So that's why I'm changing. 8 liter means that is 8 into 1000 ml. Okay na? 8 into 1000 ml. Because of 1 liter is equals to what nana? 1 liter is equals to 1000 milliliters. Okay, that's why 8 liters means 8 into 1000 ml means that is 8000 milliliter. Okay, now 8000 milliliter, 750 milliliter. 8000 ml by 750 ml. Okay, now units cancel అయిపోతున్నాయి 0 0. Okay, now 800 by 75. 800 by 75. Now
అయితే కొట్టేయచ్చు కండి.
okay, so ఇక్కడ వచ్చేసి you take the HCF of two numbers. HCF of 800 comma 75. Okay na? So 75 తోటి మల్టిప్లై చేయండి. అప్రాక్సిమేట్ గా ఏ నెంబర్ వస్తుంది చెక్ చేయండి. ఓకేనా? 75 into 10 అంటే we will get that is 750. అంటే అప్రాక్సిమేట్ గా 800 కి వస్తుంది. 75 into 11 అంటే ఈ 800 ని క్రాస్ అవుతుంది. ఓకే, ఓకేనా స్టూడెంట్స్? 75 into 10 అంటే 750 కదా. సో 75 into 11 అంటే 800 క్రాస్ అవుతుంది. సో 75 times that is what 750 మైనస్ చేస్తే 50 వస్తుంది. దెన్ ఈ 75ని మల్టిప్లై చేయండి, డివిజన్ చేయండి. నౌ 75 is dividend, 50 is divisor. 50 ones are 50 minus means we are getting 25. Okay, now 50 becomes dividend, 25 is divisor, 25 twos are 50. Okay na? So what is the HCF Nana? HCF is 25. Then we should divide 875 with what Nana? దీన్ని మనం దేంతో డివిజన్ చేయాలి? 25 తో డివిజన్ చేయాలి. ఓకేనా? బికాస్ ఆఫ్ దేర్ హైయెస్ట్ కామన్ ఫ్యాక్టర్ ఈస్ 25. ఓకేనా? నా 25 తోటి క్యాన్సిల్ చేస్తే ఎక్కడ వస్తుంది ఇది? 800. 25 ones are 25, 25 threes are 75 వస్తుంది. అండ్ 20 ఇక్కడ 75 అంటే ఇక్కడ 5 ఉంటుంది 80లో. డిసైడ్ నెంబర్ ఇస్ 0 అంటే 50. 25 twos are 50 and 25 ones are 25, 25 threes are 75. Okay, then we are getting 32 by 3. 32 by 3 is nothing but 32 least 3. Okay na students? So are you understood clearly? First of all I converted liters to milliliters. 8 liters, that is 8000 milliliter. So 8000 milliliter by 750 milliliter. Units cancel aithe because of ratio has no units. 0 0 cancel ante 800 by 75. ఈ రెండింటికి HCF వచ్చేసి 25. So with 25 I divided, so I am getting 32 by 3. 32 by 3 is 32 is to 3. Okay na students? Yes. Next, that only third question. Okay students, now third one is what Nana? The speed of a cycle is 15 km/h. The speed of a scooter is 30 km/h. Their ratio you can write, that is speed of a cycle by speed of a cycle by speed of a scooter means, that is what speed of a cycle వచ్చేసి 15 km/h. Speed of a scooter 30 km/h. So a ratio has no units అంటే cancel చేసేస్తే we are getting 15 by 30. Okay, now what is the HCF of 15, 30? 15 ki 30 ki HCF find out చేయండి. 15 twos are 30 అంటే this is the HCF. 15 is the HCF of 15, 30. So that's why you divide numerator 15 with 15 and denominator 30 with 15. 15 ones are 15 ones are 15 ones are 15 twos are. That is nothing but we are getting 1/2. That is equals to 1:2. Okay na students? So why I am dividing with 15 and 15? Because of their HCF is 15. Okay na, that's why we divided the numerator and denominator with 15 and 15. Okay na students? Yes. Okay students, what is the second question Anna? The second question is, if the compound ratio of 5:8 and 3:7 is 45:x, find the value of x. This is the question. Now see its solution amma. We know if A comma B, A is to B A is to B and C is to D are any two ratios, their compound ratio is, that is, A by B into C by D is equals to AC by BD. Okay, what do we know children? Compound ratio ఎలా తీస్తాం మనం అంటే sometimes we can express two ratios as a single ratio. Yes or no? That's why ఈ two ratios అంటే 5:8 ని A:B అనుకోవచ్చు, 3:7 C:D అనుకోవచ్చు. Okay, now I am going to express these two ratios as a single ratio. So that is what Nana? Compound ratio. Same like that only by using this one. Okay, already this one completed for your understanding purpose. Okay, 5:8 by problem 5:8 means 5/8 into 3:7 means 3/7. అంటే ఈ కాంపౌండ్ రేషియో ఇది is equals to what Nana? 4:5 45:x means that is 4/45/x. 4:45:x means 45/x. Okay, now product of their antecedents, product of their consequence. 5 3s are 15 by 8 7s are 56 is equals to 45/x. Okay now students, I am writing A is to B, that is 5:8 in the form of A by B, C is to D, that is 3:7 in the form of C by D. Okay na? By problem it is equal to 45:x means 45/x. Product of their antecedents, product of their consequence. 15/56 is equals to 45/x. Now doing cross multiplication, we will get 15 into x is equals to 45 into 56. Okay, doing like this, 15 into x is equals to 45 into 56. Now transposing 15 to RHS side, that is x is equals to 45 into 56 by 15. Okay, 15 ones are 15, 15 threes are 45. Okay, now x is equals to 3 into 56. Okay, then x is equals to 3 into 56 means what? 6 are 18, 3 5 are 15 plus 1. అంటే the value of x is equals to what Nana? 168. Okay na students? Pass. How many minutes వచ్చింది?
Okay.
Now third one Nana, if the compound ratio of 7:5 and 8:x is 84:60, find the value of x. Now see its solution. Given, what is the given data? The compound ratio CR, the compound ratio of 7:5 and 8:x is 84:60. Now 7:5 we can write it as 7/5 into 8:x, we can write it as 8/x is equals to 84/60 by problem. Okay, by problem I written like this. Then product of their antecedents, product of their consequence. 8 7s are 56 by 5 into x, 5x is equals to 84/60. Okay, by doing cross multiplication like this, 56 into 60, 56 into 60 is equals to 5x into 84. Okay na students? 56 into 60 is equals to 5x into 84. Now 84 is transposing to LHS side. Then into quantity becomes what na? Division quantity. That is 56 into 60 by 84 is equals to 5x. Cancellation unte chesayandi. Okay, I am using 4 table. For 2s are 4 1s are, for 21s are 84, for 1s are 4 4s are, for 14s are 56. Okay na students? For 21s are 4 14s are. Next I am using 7 table. 7 3s are 21, 7 2s are 14. అర్థమైందా క్యాన్సిలేషన్ ఇక్కడ? ఫస్ట్ 4 table toti 4 21s are 4 14s are. Next with the 7 table, 7 3s are 21, 7 2s are 14. Now see, we are getting 2. ఇక్కడ కూడా 3 తోటి క్యాన్సిల్ చేయండి. 3 1s are 3 20s are 60. ఓకేనా? 3 1s are 3 20s are 60. You are getting 2 into 20. 2 into 20 is equals to 5x. Okay, 2 into 20 means that is 40 is equals to 5x. 5x means that is 5 into x. Transposing means into quantity becomes division quantity. So 40 by 5 is equals to x. 5 ones are 5 x are. Therefore x is equals to what? X is equals to 8. So this is the required answer. Okay students, thank you.
కట్ చేయి